Yeah, people, you know, say real border cat I represent for the YouTube channel. It named Jamrock Radio. Naya Bingy. People, me say, no go over there, go subscribe, like, and share. So, me I say, a whole heap of inspiration over the cause of them man, I teach the youth them the right thing, you see me? Some people, you just check in with Naya Bingy. Remember me telling you, Jamrock Radio. So, me I say,
Yes, massive once a blessed love and welcome to the channel again. Yes, man say. Yeah man, so we never come again and we never can I stay there, you see it. Yeah man, so welcome to all of the new subscribers. You see me I say once say massive respect and give thanks, you see me. As usual, gratitude is a must, you see it. Yeah man, so me there again and we go all a little reasoning, you see it, and a little reasoning how me go up until this still. It it have to do with a brethren where, yeah, me subscribe to him channel still. And me see him put out couple video differently still where, yeah, me really like the content where him put out in a some video them, me see it. And me see him put out 2 video recently. And as a Rasta, you understand, them kind of thing that it kind of concerning to me still, is it? And we just go all a little reasoning for it still. Is me I deal it? Yeah, man, cause as a Rasta youth, I man think say we grow past certain things differently still, is it? Yeah. And me feel like I say we grow with more intelligence over the years. And me would want to see we reach back to a point where you have this Rasta versus police kind of thing. You see it, cause when Rasta assess certain things, it got deeper than just the words, you know. You see it? So the idea them fi understand say Rasta it entranced with one whole heap of things where the average mind now go comprehend it after just after the reply that. You see me I say? Cause a whole heap of esoteric teaching there in a Rasta. Seen? And we are talking about some ancient order. We are talking about orders where you would find in the secret societies and them kind of thing. You see? So Rasta talk about things where to the average mind it might not easily grasp. You see, because it go take you a little more deep thinking and some little more research for the item comprehend certain things, you see it. And what may I say now, I don't want it reach back to the time where this Rasta versus police kind of thing come back up, you see it. And brother, don't try them kind of things, you see, because them controversial kind of argument, it will stir certain kind of reasoning, and you understand. And the virgin what me I deal with the vlogger will call himself Wildlife Gully. See? And the virgin there is a police. And enough police for the internet I do them things still, you see. But here we go on, you know. Personally, me have police brethren, me have police cousin, me have nephews where are police and them kind of things. You see it? So me have family in a police force. So when you hear Rasta say, Born Babylon, and Rasta always refer to police as Babylon. See? And it grew in a culture where everybody just take on to the thing there, them call the police them Babylon. You see? But It's not a personal thing. You understand the levels? When Rasta said them a born Babylon, it's not you personally. Because remember, say, you our brother, you know, you our cousin, you our niece, you our nephew, you understand the levels? Are from us, the police force, fam. You see it? From the people, them. And you know, see none of the ruling class children become police, and you see? Unless them are the administrator over the administrator over the administrator. They have to be on the top level. You understand? So whether them are the minister security and them kind of big title, you not really see for them pitting turn on constable and them kind of sitting there. You see it? So when we are say born Babylon, we are talking about the system. You understand the levels? And the system was create this thing what we call a government, and the government system, you understand, before now it might look a bit less now, but it's our oppressive system, you understand. And when time you won't have the people them who create the system when I rule over people them when I rule over people them, you understand, with slavery the same family, the same royal family who enslave I and I. You understand? And them deeply involved where they make money off the back of our people and them kind of things. You see it? And when we see we niece and nephew them join up with them, and then them use them kind of oppressive tactics against their own people, you understand? And we know say them boss is the same people them from the royal elite. Seeing we know say them then work for. So when time we say born Babylon, we are talking about the system what they are them work for. You see it? Seeing and nothing personal. I just the you that say the power one have and the uniform one, you know. You understand? But so sometimes the man them just take it personal and think say, yeah, I deal them personally, man I deal it. You see? But the system what the them work off and the spirit what plant pan the them, because enough to know say all of them sitting there deep to you see, because you see influence of the mind create certain kind of activity and you behave certain kind of way. So you take on to a spirit, you take on to a farm, you see. Yeah, and may I say differently still. The two video what I see the I put out, it regard to whether Haile Selassie a God, because him no know how to speak English.
Right?
Seeing,
all I'm Rasta friend them. Only me I talk to now. I don't know, say me always ask the Christian them some questions, you know. But you want a Rasta, me want to ask you something. Today, Rasta man, I'm a brethren, you know. But explain this to me. How comes Emperor Selassie a God and him can't talk every language? Emperor Selassie can't even talk English, you know. So when I say Jah Rastafari and Emperor Selassie are right in front of you, him don't know what you talk about. If you think I lie, me I tell, listen this.
The Emperor's address to the Assembly and people of Jamaica was in his native Amharic and was translated by a member of his party.
Jamaica, I had always wished to come and visit Jamaica. Now, thank God, this wish of mine has been fulfilled.
Everywhere Emperor Selassie go, you have to have a translator. So me want to know this fireball in the comment section. Why only say Selassie a God and Selassie cannot speak every language? Because God's supposed to know every language, right?
it sounds just kind of trivial and, you understand, low-minded differently still, you see, because what you are trying to do now is try to use your interpretation of God and project it on people, you see. And then you use English as the ultimate language of intelligence. That means you then want to reduce Haile Selassie to somebody who don't understand English. So that means him can't be whatever Rasta say him is. See? And that just shows thing too. You understand? Because watch you now. You see, anytime a state leader are representing state in any capacity, then go speak the state language. See? So if you pay attention to the United Nations, if a French president address the United Nations, then speak French. You see it? And you have countless countries in the United Nations. See? And each one of them, when them address them speak in their state language. So that alone should then show you, say, when Haile Selassie there at Jamaica, and he address the Jamaica Parliament, he must speak in a statesman form. He talk and represent the state of Ethiopia at that time. So he go speak the state language. Seeing brethren? Yeah, man. So there, if you just think straight before you put out some little trivial things, you see, because me looking at the video and I watch the comment section them, and me realize the kind of people them who you like the comments, you see. Some people will make some little trivial things where, you understand, go against the belief of Rasta. Like you try to clown Rasta or clown Rasta belief. You see it? And as me I say, we grew up past them kind of things. You see it, brother? Me would have feel like I say, we grew up past them kind of things. Because if a Rasta then in the city and him need certain kind of information or he need certain kind of help, him supposed to walk to one of the state agents. You understand? Because you are work for us, Bridget. See? You are work for us. Remember, say you are work for the people. And that you say you did it for them. You see it? For serve, reassure, and protect. See? So if you are out there so, and a Rasta need help, a Rasta supposed to be able to walk up to a police and ask him for information or ask him for any kind of help where required. You see me I deal with Bridget. So we don't want that little thing here between Rasta police and, you understand, our Rasta versus Christian. We're supposed to grow past them things, you see, and show more tolerance with people, belief, system, or whatever people, way of life, you see. Because when you clown people way of life, you know, it go bring out certain kind of people with extreme belief and extreme behavior. And them sitting there go create clash and them kind of things. So if you then at the capacity where you are at work and you are going to create animosity and create clash, it will then come like you work for the devil. That is just my assessment and my opinion still. Is it? I want to must agree with it still, but I just saw me see it. See? So me go show you where Haile Selassie I speak English. And listen this.
It is good that you are here to record this picture of me in my palace garden at Addis Ababa. People who see this throughout the world will realize that even in the 20th century, with faith, courage, and a just cause, David will still beat Goliath.
All right. And not only that, Haile Selassie I speak all French too. So me make you hear him speak French. Listen this.
Majesté, avez-vous parlé du problème du Moyen-Orient?
Sûrement, parce que le problème du Moyen-Orient, ce n'est pas une chose qu'on oublie légèrement. Nous avons parlé de tout ce qui fera du bien pour cette question.
Est-ce que le président de la République vous a chargé d'un mot ou d'un message quelconque pour le président Nasser que vous rencontrez demain au Caire?
Non, je ne crois pas qu'il est nécessaire, même si nous avons parlé, c'est autre chose.
Sire, existe-t-il une communauté de vues entre l'Éthiopie et la France en ce qui concerne le territoire de Djibouti?
Pourquoi nous? Parce que le Djibouti, c'est tout près de l'Éthiopie. Et si le gouvernement français il laisse Djibouti, même avec notre ancien traité, je crois, j'espère qu'il laisse pour l'Éthiopie.
En avez-vous parlé avec le président Pompidou?
Nous avons parlé sérieusement pour cette question. Si les Français vont rester à Djibouti, nous ne voulons pas.
All right, you get that. And guess what? You see in Ethiopia, a whole heap of different language speaking in Ethiopia. Just go do your research. See? So Haile Selassie multilingual. So if you go use English language as the measuring stick as to whether Haile Selassie a God or not, because you are say him can't be God because him not speak English. Well, you hear him speak English, French, and me I tell you say more than 9 different language speaking in Ethiopia alone. See? So just think about the things them before you put out some little trivial things, Bridget, and you understand? Make it seem like a clown you try to clown the belief of people. Because it go beyond Rasta and Bridget. You see, people belief system, we have to learn to respect it. You see it? And if we even don't agree with it, and we want to ask question about it, ask question because you're curious. And not ask question because you try to clown. See? Because the difference clear. You see me I say, we can know the difference between trying to clown and trying to be curious and really want to know. You understand the level? The next thing when I see you put out with spot, you say, Junior Biles losing mind because them learn say Haile Selassie I did.
Years later by Adrian Sherwood's New Age Steppers group. It also featured on the soundtrack for the film Rockers. He also released a second album, Jordan, in the year 1976, produced by Western. By the year 1975, Biles' health had begun to deteriorate. You know what I mean? Him start to get sick. Biles was suffering from depression. He was deeply affected by the death of Haile Selassie. You know, Biles was a Rastaman with people. And you know, most Rastaman look up to Haile Selassie as God. You know what I mean? So, when Haile Selassie passed away, a lot of these Rastaman, not only Biles, really took it to heart. You know, a lot of them turn to drugs and so on. They get them as a people for comfort because they just could not fathom to the idea of accepting the fact that Haile Selassie, whom they had praised as being God, actually lost his life. You know what I mean? Haile Selassie lose his life because his own country actually turned against him. You know, Haile Selassie was a very popular leader.
And Bridget, first of all, me sure you don't know the man medical history. Me sure say you don't see them no medical report of the man who are causing the man for losing his mind. You understand? So them kind of unfortunate situation that reach people. And that's sitting where you for clown, Bridget. See? Because you don't know what you say. Straight up and down, you say the man losing his mind because he learned say Haile Selassie I dead. Bridget, look, you're in yourself like, since them say Haile Selassie I dead. See? How much Rasta rise since them time there? Globally. See? So that should show you in yourself, say. You understand? Them argument they not hold no weight, Bridget. Naturally as a man, just question yourself. You ever see a 200-year-old man alive yet? You know one 200-year-old man? Like a physical man, physical flesh, human being. You know one who are 200-year-old. If you know one who are 200-year-old, you show me and show we evidence of it. See? Cause look now, you a claim say the man lose his mind and enough Rasta go take drugs because of them kind of shocking news there and then kind of sit there. You don't feel like say the movement to the dead from them time there. Look how much youth, what you grow with, how much of them turn Rasta. Seeing that are after the so-called death of Haile Selassie. So you should know say them argument the way your spouse bridging, it don't make no sense bridging, and just ease off for them kind of things a bridging. Cause you understand, no clown people belief system. Cause guess what me now? It a go start to make people want to clown you with the boss them what you are work with. You see it? Cause nothing say people don't know things where they happen to young trainee officers and they sit there when time them get punishment, and you understand? Them have got clean ag pen and they sit. As it come like someone now get to get fed pan too much swine meat differently still. So it come like you mash up on a meditation. You see it? Cause me sure say you don't know what cause the man for losing his mind. If it's a, you understand, genetic problem or whatever, you understand, crisis or stress or whatever cause the man for meet the demise. How comes you can just attribute it to the death of Haile Selassie without no evidence? You see them kind of things, Bridget? It don't make no sense, man. So as me I said, don't bother bring up about them kind of like a foolishness, the Bridget, because here we go on. They are them to understand, say, Haile Selassie, Jesus, Muhammad and them people, them are not the only Messiah ever come in earth. See, you have messianic figures way back in thousands of years before it come up to whisper, people give Haile Selassie that kind of title for say him is a Messiah. See? And them things, they are natural things, man, and normal things them sitting there, man, and nothing new. You see it? I just how Christian teach the them and make the them things say God is just one man who sit down in one sky, and you understand them kind of things there and a saiga, man. You see, because God way beyond man. You see? Because God is an awesome force, and God is, you understand, God is the cosmos, and God is the earth, the wind, the fire. God are the elements where maintain, sustain, and create life. See? And we are all part of that process there. See? So when all Jesus come and a preach and all of them sitting there, I just feel awaken the eye them consciousness for know say the eye them are God same way too. You see? And we are all part of this whole thing what we call God. Because God is a title given to an object of worship, you know. See? And when it come on to people say them a worship money, people just make it get spooky and make it sound like this term worship is one extra spooky thing where you have to be careful what you ask about worship. You see it, and every day we get up and we worship with favorite artists, them with favorite comedian, them with favorite entertainer, with favorite movie star, and them kind of stuff. You see it. So when we come fun and them kind of things to people, and we talk so much about them, and we give them flowers according to what we are saying. And them sitting there I just normal thing them there, you know. We get up every day and we call Bounty Killer Gully God, no, Ground God, and we call my father Gully God, and you understand? I just a way of giving people them praises for their greatness in whatever them do. We give Usain Bolt them kind of things the same way too. We give Bob Marley and all of them people we give them kind of flowers there. You see? And them things they are just normal thing, man. You see, cause when the people them tell you say, oh, God is God. You see, who is this God is God what you talk about? You see, cause we know say God no limit to no one person or no one thing. You see, it is a collective region and it's a force where destructive and utter destruction and chaos it bring back peace and harmony and all of them things them, man. So all of them sitting out there them for understand say deeper than just words, man. You see it have whole heap of things where when you hear it don't dismiss it because that's a one our problem. Sometimes we are all a reasoning and we are show some bridging some things are you might hear an ex-bridging a reason same way. And it might say something we controversial same way, you know. But don't quick to dismiss it. Just take your time and just do some research on it. And then it going to bring you into deeper and deeper and deeper things. And you go understand more. Because more knowledge you have about things, it go give you a better understanding of things same way. You see, because this whole God concept and devil concept and them kind of things there is a new thing. Is a new thing that was created by Christian. You see it? And we have to understand them things and go deeper than where the Christian people teach you. Deeper than what the Bible teach you. Because the Bible is a collective of different things where happening in a different culture. You see me I say? And even the Jesus stories here way too. It deep in astrology and mythology and you understand all of them things there. Things with the solar movement, the movement of the sun in the sky. And the sun in the sky become the SON, son of God in a earth. You understand? So all of them things there are some esoteric teachings and they are them for just understand them things there and go deeper than where you want to learn in a church. Because you see, want to learn in a church is just the direction to a wider path. See? So me can just there and I sit down and I chat a whole heap and things and I try bore on the mind and then kind of things there. But the greatest thing is for them to just know. Do some research for themselves. And see some things and know say some things it deeper than just on the surface. See? I'm a hope say what may I just ramble off, it might make some sense to some people, you see? And start to do some research, man, and start to look into things deeper than what we learn in a church and we learn in a school. You understand? Yeah, man. So, until the next video, people, give thanks. More life and more blessings. You see it? And if I first time you come across the video, we want to say welcome. You see it? And if you like the content, just go and share it to your friend. Them, you see it? Yeah, man. And comment in the comment section and make we know. You understand what they them think, and we can reason out this and we can bring understanding to certain things. You understand? In a dialogue. So go and bless up on yourself, people, and give thanks to the moment. Yeah, man. Gully side. Bless up yourself, brother. But I saw it, man. We don't want to see them controversy and certain things bring up back on them kind of things. Like I remember say the system when use police for earth rust and them things that can stir up back certain kind of anger in people. You understand, brother? Alright. More blessings. See?